Drop it.
Subscribe H4 Home Remedies YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest video notification. 5 ways to get rid of open pores. There are loads of skin problems that we face on a daily basis, and enlarged pores on the face may be the most common one. An enlarged pore is an opening on the surface of the skin. While a normal one does not really cause much trouble, an enlarged one can lead to forming of sebaceous gland that releases oil to lubricate and protect skin. After a while, the oil turns into blockages and cause tiny pores on the skin to stretch. And, quite obviously, these pores look ugly. And, if you are obsessed with these not so pleasant pores on your face, you need to try the following home remedies to deal with the problem. Number 1. Cucumber and lemon. The humble cucumber is the best way to bid goodbye to enlarged pores, because the high silica content in the vegetable not only imparts a youthful look to the skin but also helps in tightening the large pores. Try mixing lemon to it for better results, as the astringent in lemon will reduce the appearance of the ugly pores. All you need to do is mix 2 tablespoons of cucumber juice with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to make a pack. Now, apply the concoction to your face with a cotton ball. Let the juice dry out and wash your face with cold water thereafter. Number 2. Banana peel. Don't we all love to eat bananas? But hey, have you ever thought of the benefits of its peel? Well, get ready to be surprised. Banana peel contains lutein, which is an antioxidant that aids skin nourishment. Also, banana peels consist of potassium, which promotes a flawless skin. Just pick up a banana peel and rub it against your skin in a circular motion. Continue to rub for 15 minutes and then wash your face with cold water. Trying this remedy twice a week will shrink your large pores to a great extent. Number 3. Fuller's Earth. Fuller's Earth or Multani Midi not only reduces pimples but is also helpful in reducing pores, as it's very good at absorbing oil and dirt from open pores. Also, it helps in exfoliating dead skin cells. Using it once a week can tighten your pores. All you need is 2 tablespoons of Fuller's Earth and some water to make a thick paste. Apply this paste to your face and leave it to dry. Once it dries up, wash your face with cold water. Number 4. Turmeric. We have read enough about the antibacterial properties of turmeric, but little has been written about its pore shrinking properties. Since turmeric reduces skin inflammation, it kills the bacteria growing inside the pores. It in turn reduces swelling around the pores. Take 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix it with a few drops of water to form a thin paste. Now, apply the paste to your skin and leave it for 10 minutes. Wash with cold water thereafter. Number 5. Oats and milk. The best breakfast and the best exfoliator for the skin, oats can be used to absorb the dirt and oil that blocks the pores and increases their size. To reduce the enlarged pore, mix 2 tablespoon oats with 1 tablespoon of milk. Now, apply the mixture to your skin and let it dry. Once it starts to dry, start scrubbing your face for a few minutes. Wash the leftover pack with cold water thereafter. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comments and subscribe our channel.